KrazyKAT here. These here are king oyster mushrooms, mini king oyster mushrooms. They have been seasoned with chicken bouillon seasoning, paprika, black pepper, and olive oil. All seasoned and ready to be air fried. Okay, got them all in the air fryer. We're gonna cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes at 370 degrees. Okay guys, so it's been in the air fryer for almost 10 minutes. Got 5 minutes left. Let's take a look. Ooh, they're done. Depending on the thickness of your king oyster mushrooms, you may need less or more time, but this is all done. Mine are really small, so they're cooked. And voila! Air fried mini king oyster mushrooms. You can eat it plain or with some spicy pepper sauce. In here. One of my favorite mushrooms. Very easy, very simple to make. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.